Hello everyone, good morning from Hyderabad, the city of pearls. I'm your host Gauravi and I welcome you to my channel. Friends, now I'm at a place in the heart of the city. In the heart of Hyderabad where my daughter stays. I come here quite often to visit my daughter, and whenever I'm here, my day, each day, starts with a peaceful walk, and these quiet mornings have a charm of its own. Though surrounded by tall buildings, busy streets, and the constant hum of city traffic, starting from the morning itself, this place quietly holds its own charm. The place feels like a natural shelter with tall old trees standing quietly on both sides. Their wide branches invite countless birds, and the air fills with their songs, making every morning walk here deeply refreshing. The birds' songs welcome my day, turning a simple walk into a beautiful connection with nature. Viewers, just watch the bird eating the fruits, jumping from one branch to another. Oh, it's so beautiful. As I walk through this neighborhood, I am welcomed by beautiful flowers in almost every household. These bougainvilleas, they are full of life. And now, the queens of the garden, the roses. Once I read somewhere, a garden without a rose is like a king without a queen. It's indeed true. They are so beautiful. These pretty hibiscus flowers, they bloom throughout the year irrespective of the season. They only need plenty of sunlight and regular watering. But they are so vibrant. They come in different colors and sizes, but each one is unique. Even white hibiscus has its own beauty. Oh, this yellow hibiscus is so big and bold, isn't it, viewers? Viewers, this is the garden with some pretty little flowers. I don't even know some of their names, but they're so cute. But this is Dahlia that I know. It's so beautiful, isn't it, guys? These small flowers are so colorful that I can't take my eyes off. These are peace lilies. Oh, great. This one is also another unique flower. It's a bit different from the other flowers, but it's so bright and vibrant. This is Nag Champa. I think this one is very common in Hyderabad because I have seen these Nag Champas everywhere, even in roadsides. The bougainvillea flowers in full bloom. They thrive on bright sunlight and minimal watering. This is a small space garden with bright leafy plants and plants in small containers. Viewers, morning walks in Hyderabad feel extra special when I'm staying with my daughter. The fresh air, the quiet streets, and the colorful blossoms create a calm and refreshing start to the morning. What makes these walks even more heartwarming is the love waiting for me every day. My daughter's cute Labrador Lucy eagerly waits for me till I return home. And just next door, her neighbor's adorable dog Ruby, always ready to be loved every single day. It feels so very good, dear viewers. During my morning walks, I have noticed some decorative designs drawn on the ground in front of many houses. It's called muggu It's very popular in Hyderabad and Telangana and is believed to bring prosperity, positivity, and good luck. It's a beautiful blend of art, tradition, and everyday devotion. The morning walk in this quiet place is not just an exercise, it's about enjoying nature's beauty and cherishing small moments of joy, love, and togetherness. I hope this video brings you the same peace and happiness that these mornings bring me. Viewers, hope you enjoyed my video. Now don't forget to press a like for me. And if you are watching my channel for the first time, then please do subscribe me. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.